Hey everyone, Chris Balance here. I'm in the Veranda subdivision in Richmond, Texas, right on the corner of Richmond and Sugar Land, Texas. And today we're going to walk through Perry Homes and just show you the model home, all the floor plans, features, and everything about Perry and what they're doing at the Veranda. So come join me. We are walking into the model home, Perry Homes at the Veranda. This is a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2,500 square feet, 2,529 to be exact. 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, office room up front with mud room. We're just gonna take a tour. Front guest bedroom with private bath. Guest bedrooms, also the model office. Gorgeous open kitchen and living room. If you have not gotten the memo, white cabinets are out, or they're going out of fashion. Dark cabinets are back, which I personally like. I've always enjoyed dark cabinets better. Huge quartz countertops. Take a step back in the backyard. This one overlooks one of the community lakes, and there's great walking trails all around here. And I really enjoy that we take our kids walking through here sometimes, and I enjoy the little bridges where you can stop and sometimes look at the turtles and fish in the water and ducks. Master bedroom or primary bedroom. The lighting is just amazing in this house. A lot of natural light. Corner garden tub is in her vanity. Let's take a look at some of the closet space. space. All right, now let's go talk with Bob and learn a little bit more about Perry Homes at the Veranda. All right, I'm here with Bob with Perry Homes. So Bob, tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got started with Perry.
Good. I've been with Perry Home for about 7 years. I've worked in Bridgeland, Cypress, and Ventana Lake. I like Perry Home because they have a product that a lot of people like it because of the open floor plan and the warranty for 2 years and 10 years structure. Veranda, I came here about 4 years ago. It's a master plan community, very close to 59, 99, and 90. And people like to live very close to highway because of the easy to commute from here to downtown and medical center and University of Houston, etc. We have about 8 two-story plan and about 17 of one-story plan that we can build. We have more standard feature than many builders has. And we like to make sure that our customers are very satisfied. That's why we achieve over 95% customer satisfaction all the time.
And I can testify to that because I live in a Perry home, second owner, but really close to this location, which I can also testify. This location is amazing. It's hard to get this close to Richmond-Sugar Land and be so close to the highways and freeways and the loop to get wherever you want. So Perry, you'll have a great reputation. So what are some of the standard features and upgrades that folks can expect with Perry Homes in the Veranda?
First of all, the Perry Home built a one-story home that has all 4 sides bricks. And we recently, I would say about a year ago, we started this, Perry Homes come with the smart standard features like Nest thermostat, Nest doorbell, garage door, Wi-Fi, and the door lock at the front.
Yeah, Nest having those smart thermostats and doorbells, those are just necessities these days. And the smart lock too makes things so convenient. Yeah. Okay, so we talked a little bit about the floor plans. What are homes starting at in this area currently? And of course, prices. I mean, this is a very hot market, so prices are always changing. But
every day we hear this on the TV, and every morning on ABC that prices are going up and everything because of the cost of construction, cost of material involved in here. We start with $344,000 and one-story plan, and we go up to $27.14 on one story, and the two-story we go up to $29.99.
Okay. And do you know about how many homes and lots Perry plans on building in the Veranda?
Altogether in Veranda is going to be about 1,200 homes. We've been building for last 4 years, maybe 3-4 years more. We'll be completing this. Right now we have I would say 16 lots available, and we also have 8 homes, spec home that we are building right now. Few are going to be coming next month, and then of course other homes will be coming later on too.
All right. Anything else you want to add about Perry and the Veranda?
I think it's worth to visit Perry Home because Perry Home has a quality product, and people see it, people fall in love with that.
Thank you very much, Bob.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is a full list of features that Perry Homes includes in their Veranda homes. It goes over things like warranty, their interior finishes, energy efficiency, their kitchen and bathroom upgrades, technology, all the smart technology that they have throughout the home, the exterior finishes, and the design center, all those little final touches that you're going to want to put in just to help make your home perfect. You'll find a link in the notes on how to access that list of upgrades and features, and also how to access all the floor plans and even take virtual tours of the various floor plans that they have available on the Veranda. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Chris Ballins with Ballins Realty Group. For more information about Perry Homes in the Veranda and Ballins Realty Group and what we can do to help you with your home search, just look in the show notes. If you got any value out of this video, click the like button, comment below, reach out, and thanks for watching.